Thank you. Hello. Assalamu alaikum, beta. Today we will discuss the topic related with the hemodynamic and blood flow disorders, which are the infarction, which is very important. So an infarct, the definition of the infarct is also an area of the ischemic necrosis. It is an area of ischemic necrosis, and they can caused by occlusion of either the arterial blood supply or the about the 97% of the cases, and or they will also can be caused by the venous drainage. So they also can be caused by the occlusion of the arterial supply about the 97% of the cases, and or by they can cause by the venous drainage in a particular tissue or the organ or the body. They can lead to the form the infarction. Okay, this is also a definition particular issue. Although the infarction, they will also can be resulting from the thrombotic or embolic. They also resulting from the thrombotic or embolic events, and other causes, and they will also can be other causes, and they will also can be including like the vasospasm, and some there the extensive compression of the vessel wall. Okay, extensive compression on a vessel wall, and by a tumor mass, and for and the edema, tumor mass or edema, and they will also edema. So these are the some they are entertainment in the hernial sac, and hernial sac, and the twisting of the, and there also can be twisting of the vessels, and the example of the torsion of the testicular testes or the testicular torsion. So these are the some causes, and they can inducing the infarction. So the most important cause, and they're the thrombotic or embolic occlusion about the about 97% to 99% of cases, and other uncommon causes like the compression of a vessel wall and due to tumor mass or the edema, and some there the torsion of the testes or the ovaries. So these are the some inducing causes, and they can causing there the infarction. Now the infarction. So some there are other causes like the trauma, there is traumatic vessel rupture. Traumatic vessel rupture, it is also a rare cause. So the another cause, there is the traumatic vessel rupture. It is also a rare cause. So the occlusion, the occluded vessels, occluded venous drainage, and they also can be, for example, there is the venous thrombosis, the most common cause by the venous thrombosis, and often, most often they also can be there is a congestion only. Some there is a since it bypasses the channel, and channel channel rapidly. They also can be channels rapidly. They also can open. They also can open to provide the outflow. So they also can be caused by the venous thrombosis, and they also can leading to the infarction. Okay. So thus the infarction that can occur and due to the venous thrombot. They also can occur due to the venous thrombosis, and they are the more likely in the organs, and with a single, they are so organs, they are so having the single venous outflow. So they also can occur in the organs. They are also having the single venous outflow, for example, ovaries and the testes. Okay, they also can leading to the venous thrombosis. Venous thrombosis बेटा जो होता है वो most probably there are some there the organ that having the single venous outflow, they can lead to the infarction. The most common example they are the testes and ovaries. Now, what is the morphology? Morphological features of the infarction. So, infarct and maybe they also can be maybe either red because of the hemorrhagic. They are called as the hemorrhagic infarct, and or they also having their they also appear the pale or white, or the pale or also anemic or the white infarct because of the less hemorrhage also can present. Okay, and the other infarct, and they are the septic and the bland. So they are, this is also classification of the infarct. The infarction, they are the red or the hemorrhagic in appearance, red or hemorrhagic infarct. Another one, number second one is the pale or the white or anemic infarct. Other like less frequent, the septic infarct and the bland type of infarct. Now the red infarct. So the red infarcts, and they will also can occurs in red infarct. They also can occur in the there's a venous occlusion. They also can occur in the venous occlusion, and for example ovaries and ovarian torsion and the testicular torsion. Okay, so the red infarct they also can occur. Most probably they also can occur in the there is a venous occlusion. They are like they most likely occur in the ovarian torsion and the testicular torsion. Okay, this the red infarct they also can occur in the loose tissues of the body. For example, the most common example is the lungs. Okay, and third one is the tissues, and with the dual blood circulation, and for example, lungs, and also the some there's also having the lungs, and also the some that the small intestine. They are also having the small intestine. हेलो सरा हुआ है कि हाँ सब का तो ठीक है जी जी सर नौब शाम में है सर हाँ जी हाँ जी नौब शाम में है नौब शाम में जी सही हाँ जाओ जाओ तो गल जाओ तो गल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नौब शाह अची विया आहियूं कॉलेज में नौब शाह में जी जी हाँ हाँ सही वो सुञातो तव्हांखे पर उहा न नौब शाह में सर ॿ ताईं ॿी बजे ताईं हूंदा ॿी बजे ताईं ठीकु आहे ॿुधाइजो साईं कुर्बान साहिबु आहिनि ॿुधाइजो पोइ ठीकु आहे भले जी 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 हाँ उहे बि आहिनि जी हाँ उहे वेठा उहे बि आहिनि सी उहे बि आहिनि हाँ जी 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 ठीकु आहे सर ठीकु आहे भले अचो अचो ठीकु आहे सर ठीकु सर ठीकु ठीकु अलाह माशाल्लाह sorry beta so the red infarct, and they will also occur due to the venous circulation occlusion, and for example in the ovaries, ovary, ovaries and testes, they can lead to the ovarian torsion and the testicular torsion. Another one, there's a loose tissues, for example, lungs. And the tissues of the body, most probably they are also having the dual blood circulation, and for example, in the lungs and also the small intestine. So the some there are the sites of the sites another site the site of the previous occlusion, and they also having there is some there is the and for previous occlusion, and they will also can be occlusion occlusion and the necrosis. Most probably there is the sites of the previous occlusion and the necrosis, and when the blood flow is also re-established, the area जहाँ पे necrosis हुई हो या उसमें there is also having there is the sites of the previous occlusion हुई हो, and they will also have the blood flow is also re-established. So this is also a most common site, and for the development of the red infarct, so they are the most common site for the development of the red infarct. Now another one, there is white infarct. Another type is also white infarct. White infarcts, and they also can occur, and they also can occur in the solid organ of the body. The most common organs, like as a there is the most common organs, there are the heart and spleen and the kidney. So these are the most common sites and the organs of the body, and they will also can lead to the there is the arterial occlusion. They can lead to the white or a pale type or anemic type of infarct. So with the end arterial blood circulation, for example, there is a few collateral circulation. So few collateral they also can be presenting over here. For example, few collateral they also can present in the heart. So the in the kidney they are having the end arterial blood circulation. So these also having the development of the some there the infarct in the solid type of organ, and all infarcts, and they will also can be tend to all alpha they can tend to be wedge shaped. You see better shape होती है, wedge shape होती है. So wedge shape, all the infarct they are the wedge shape, and the occluded the vessel they also can be occluded vessel they also can make the apex. जो affected जो occluded vessel होगी they also can form the apex, and also and the most probably, and there is also having there the organ जो periphery होगी, and they will also can be form there is a base of the infarct. So जो periphery होगी they also can form the base of the infarct. So the the lateral margins, and they are the lateral margins, and they are they are they are also having there the they may be the irregular. जो उसकी margins होंगी बेटा वो they also can become the irregular in shape. ठीक है, तो irregular in shape, and they also can be reflecting the pattern of the adjacent and vascular supply. They also having there is some to the all in the infarct, and they are the V shape. So जो organ की first of all the occluded blood vessel they also can form the they also apex, and they also having there the organ periphery, and they also can form the base of the infarct. So the lateral margins, and they are the irregular in shape. They will also conform the V shape. The all infarct they also can appear a V shape in appearance. Now the dominant histological features of the infarct, the dominant histological feature of the infarct, and which is in the most tissues, and it is also a development of the cognitive necrosis. Cognitive necrosis is already discussed in the chapter of the cell injury. So they also confirm the different type of the necrosis, like the liquefactive necrosis. They also can occur in the brain. Cognitive necrosis they also can occur in the spleen, heart, and the kidney. They also can occur in the solid organs. They are also having there the different type of the necrosis you already discussed, and which also can be followed by the, they also can be followed by the temporarily followed, they also having the temporarily and by an inflammatory response. Inflammatory response, there is a, they also can occur inflammatory response, and they also can occur within hours to days. So you inflammatory response over hours to days, and by a also a repetitive response. Repetitive response, they also can occur in the days to the weeks. Days to the weeks. So they also having there the they also can beginning in the, they also can beginning in the preserved margins. Okay, so they also confirm the different duration they also can occur, and most infarcts, and they are the most infarct, and they are ultimately, and they are the ultimately replaced by the scar tissue. उसके बाद जो they also can replace by scar tissue, they also can become the fibrosed. Okay, although they also can be called the deposition, they also having the depending on the, most probably also can depending on the tissue, उसी पे बेस करता है, ठीक है, depending on the tissues. Now the infarction in the central nervous system and the CNS, and they will also can be resulting, there they form the liquefactive necrosis. They also can form a liquefactive necrosis in the brain or in the CNS. So there is septic infarct. Septic infarction, they will also can be occur when the infected heart valve vegetations, infected heart valve vegetation on, they also can be, they can embolize, and or they also can embolize, or when the microbiological agent or the microbe, they also can be seeding, and the area of these also can seeding of an area of the necrosis. जो affected part necrosis का है, they also can by seed by the, जो खाता है, they also can by the affected by the some there the microbiological agent. They also conceding the necrotic area. So the infarct, they also can infarct, and they also become they also forming an abscess in case of the septic infarct. So septic infarction, they will also can be septic infarction, and they will also can occur, and when the infarct and they also can be the infection, the also infected heart valve vegetation, and they will also can be vegetation, they also can embolize, and or when microbiological agent or microbes, and there the microbes, and they also can seeding to the areas of the infarction or the necrotic area, they can form the abscess. Now another feature, there are the factors, and that also can influencing the development of the, what are factors, they also can influencing the development of the infarct. कौन से फैक्टर होते हैं इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं, किस तरह से वो डेवलप होता है infarct. So the outcome of the vascular occlusion, and they also can be ranges from the no effects, from the no effect, and to a death of the tissue or the person. Okay, some the changes also can occur. What factor they also can be influencing the development of the infarct? So mostly major determinants, the major determinants of the outcome, and they are also having their, they also include number one. First of all, there is the anatomic. There is the anatomic pattern of the vascular supply. For example, anatomical pattern of the vascular supply. For example, there is the availability of the alternative blood supply. ठीक है. Another form, there is dual blood supply, there is dual blood circulation. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे को नक्कर इन द लंग्स में भी होती है, उसके साथ जो लिवर में भी होती है, उसके लिवर, लंग एंड और बाय द सम देयर द एरियाज ऑफ द and areas most probably the anosmotic capillary anosmotic circulations, and for example they also can occur in the radius and most probably in the radial and the ulnar arteries. So they also can occur most probably they occur in the radial and ulnar arteries. So they also having there is some anatomical pattern of the vascular supply, and they also can leading to the form the infarct. Okay. Now the some the obstruction of the end arterial circulation or the end arterial blood vessels, and they also generally can generally there is the occlusion of the vessel movement, they can lead to the form the infarction, and for example, and there is the most commonly affected in spleen and also occur in the kidney. They are these organs and they also having the end arterial blood circulation. So in case of the liver and also the heart, and they will also having there the cold circulation, also having there the dual blood supply. Now another form there the rate of the rate of the occlusion, they also can occlusion of the occlusion development. तो ये किस कौन सी रेट में डेवलप होती है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल there is slowly developing occlusion of the slowly developing occlusion is also a less often, they also can be causing the infarction or the necrosis, infarction, and by allowing the they also can by allowing the time to be they also can allow the time to develop. जो slowly developing हुई तो उसमें time required होता है, जो rapidly develop होती they also have the two time they also required. Okay, so they also rate of the occlusion of the development. Now the another form also having there the vulnerability and to also having there the hypoxia. Hypoxia, there the neurons or the central nervous system. The neuron they also can be undergoing. They are also undergo in the irreversible injury, irreversible damage, and irreversible damage, and they are often after the 3 to 4 minutes के अंदर, यहाँ पे 3 to 4 minutes के अंदर they also having there the chance for the damaging the neuron cell within the central nervous system. They can lead to the ischemia. Okay, so the neurons they can undergo an irreversible damage, and after the 3 to 4 minutes of the ischemia. Ischemia जब necrosis होती है तो उसमें 3 या 4 मिनट लगते हैं. They also can become damage in the nerve cells, neurons, and the myocardial cells they also can be die. Myocardial cells they also can die, and after the only 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, तो उसमें जो टाइम रिकॉर्ड होता है वो 20-30 मिनट्स के अंदर they also can become die. Myocytes they also can occur in the myocardial cells. In contrast to the fibroblasts, and with fibroblasts and there is also within ischemia, within the ischemic myocardium, and they are viable, and even after the many hours. ठीक है, बड़े जो फाइब्रोब्लास्ट सेल्स होते हैं एंड दे आल्सो कैन बिकम वायबल एंड आफ्टर द मेनी आवर्स तक जो है ना वो लाइव रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस आल्सो सम द वल्नरेबिलिटी to the hypoxia neurons, and they are also can be undergo the irreversible damage, and they are also requiring the smaller time about 3 to 4 minutes, and the myocardial cells about the myocardial cell, the myocytes, and they're carrying about 20 to 30 minutes, and they become dry. And in contrast to the fibroblasts, and they also having their day is more time they also require and to become they also can remain alive and for many hours. So there and the some the oxygen they're also having the content, oxygen content of the blood. Most probably there the anemias and cyanosis, and or by the some there the congestive heart failure, anemia, cyanosis, and congestive heart failure, and they will congestive heart failure, and with congestive heart failure, and with hypoxia, and they also can causing they also can causing infarction. They also can cause infarction in the infarction, and otherwise they're also having the otherwise, and in contrast to the they also going to be otherwise inconsequent inconsequential the blockage. So they are also having there is some there in case of the some there the oxygen content of the blood, जितने oxygen content कितनी होगी जो in case of anemia में cyanosis में, और उसके बाद जो है congestive heart failure, and they are also having there the some there the with the hypoxia, so they will also having there they can causing there the infarction. They also can cause infarction in the in an most probably also can occur in the so this is all about the infarction. We also can see some there the also figures. Okay, infarction. So this is also a definition we already discussed that is defined as the area of ischemic necrosis. They can cause by occlusion of the arterial circular supply and by the venous drainage in a particular issue of the organ, and about the more than 99% of cases, and other uncommon causes, and they are like most common the vasospasm, like the compression of the vessel lumen by a tumor mass or the edema, and some the testicular torsion. So these are the some causes, and they also contributing in the pathogenesis of the formation of the infarction. Now, a morphological type number one, there is first of all on the basis of the color classification, there they appear the red in color because of the there the hemorrhagic, and also another one that the white or the anemic infarct. Okay, red infarct they also can occur in by the occlusion of the venous circulation, and there the also there the white infarct they also can occur due to the arterial occlusion. ठीक है, this is also some the photograph micrograph of the infarction. White infarct, the arterial occlusion, the most common occur. Some the organs, solid organ in the body, kidney, they are having spleen in the heart. They are most commonly organ. They also can affect it. Now this is also infarction. White type of the white infarct. So this is also a picture of the infarction. This is also the infarction and white infarct. They also going to occur within the heart. Within the infarction, the myocardium. So on the basis of the some there the septic infarct and the biliary infarct. Now, beta, they are also having there the lot of factors that are influencing the development of the infarct. So these are the some factors they are also having there the some there the leading to the formation of the infarct, and they also confirm the wedge shape. So the occlusion of the artery circulation they also confirm the morphologically they also having there the first of all occiput vessel they also confirm the apex, and periphery of the organ. They also can form the base of the infarct and the margins, and they also can become the irregular in shape. So they also can appear the wedge shape infarct, called as the all infarct. They are the wedge shape. So ये definition beta, so this is also infarct, and also this morphological feature, and they also having the most important definition and causes of infarction, and along with the morphological feature, the two types, red infarct and the white infarct. Some there the differentiation between the red infarct and the white infarct, and now some there the morphological changes they also going to occur with the infarct. So these are factors that also can be influencing the formation for the development of the infarct. Okay, these are the factors. This is the vulnerability of the hypoxia. Okay. उसके बाद another one there is some there the oxygen content of the blood. So this is all of about the infarction. Salim? Salim? So, positive. लोग क्लास अलबत्त से टॉपिक भी उठा दिया. मैंने छोकरी स्टार्ट करना.